guys, and this is a new video about the Instagram application, and today we will show you how to repost the selected post or reel to your Instagram story. Don't forget that we have another video how to make the repost to your Instagram story of the selected someone's story if you aren't mentioned on it. So if you are interested in this topic, let's go to another video, but today we will talk only about posts and reels. So let's go to the Instagram app, and when we are on the home page, on the For You page, let's choose one of the videos as an example. So I need to tap on one. This is the reel. Okay, so how to repost the selected reel to our story? We need to pick on the send button here on the right side on the screen and tap on the first option like add reel to your story. Amazing! Don't forget that you can also rotate and cut, manage the scale of the selected reel, and just save it, managing the place location of the selected reel too. So as an example, you can add other features like to draw something, add text, sticker, etc. Don't forget that after tapping on the first icon on the top bar here, you can also correct the background color. So I will set this one as an example, violet and bright. So okay, later you can smoothly add this to your story or to your only close friend story and tap on the send to feature. I will choose the first option after posting it to my story and tap on the done. Wait a minute, please. Before the result checking, I need to refresh my home screen page. And let's tap on the first icon here. As you can see, we have the selected reels in our Instagram story. Unfortunately, right now our story is uploading, so we need to wait a minute. Yes, right now we have posted our Instagram story, and tap on the reel one time to watch it. Amazing! Absolutely in the same way, we can use other posts to make an Instagram story. So as an example of this one, we just only need to pick on the send icon here and tap on the add reel to your story feature. But we will not have the reel inscription here, but the post one. It's really so easy to do, and I will try to show you how to do this. Okay, let's find some post. Let's go to the For You page and tap on the needful post. Okay, so let's pick on the send button here and tap on the add post to your story feature. Amazing! Don't forget that also tapping on this post you can manage the style of your selected post. For example, to highlight the name of the nickname of the selected account and to show the inscription a little bit, or just only set the nickname and only this. Remember that also you can rotate the selected post and allocate it in the way you like. Yes, it's very easy to do, and as you can see, we don't have this special option to correct the background. We can only correct the style of our edit post, but save only the background that the Instagram app will automatically set for us. Also, after tapping on these top icons, you can add some text here, draw something, add stickers, save this post, but your Instagram story to your gallery app, etc. So to post it, let's pick on the send to option as before, and I will choose, as an example, the close friends option. Tapping on the add people. Sorry, I have nobody in my close friends, so I will choose the first one to my story, to my main story, and after tapping on the share option, I will upload my new Instagram story to the profile page. Let's check the results, but remember that we need to wait some time before the uploading. I need to tap on the icon, on the first icon, and well done. Here we can check our reel, and later we can go to the post, tapping on the see post feature. Amazing! Guys, don't forget about likes, and if this tutorial was helpful, don't also forget to set some comments, to write some comments below. Guys, bye bye, thank you for watching.